Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up Gmail work profile on your Android phone. So to do that, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is locate your settings on your Android phone. So mine is right here, and all I have to do is go scroll down, and from there we have to locate Google. So once we locate Google, all we have to do is press it, of course, and we have to wait for it to load up. So after you've done that, all you have to do is go to all services right here and then scroll down, and then you'll find setup and restore right here in the bottom, and then here you just have to set up your work profile, which is pretty simple. So there you go, you have located it. So here you have to enter your admin IT code, or you can scan their code actually. So you can do that right here. So you can scan right here. As you can see, I'm using my camera, but I'm not going to show anything. So you can also enter your code manually. So there you go guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.